Imagine waking up with a sense of peace. The sun gently rises, painting the sky with hues of hope and promise. Before the day's rush begins, give yourself a gift of stillness, a gift of presence. This is the magic of a morning mindfulness routine. Just 5 minutes to center yourself, to breathe, to simply be. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or anyone seeking balance, these moments are for you. Picture yourself sitting comfortably, feeling the gentle warmth of the morning sun on your face. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension. Feel the calmness wash over you. These few minutes can set a positive tone for your entire day. Maybe you prefer to sip a warm cup of tea, or jot down your thoughts in a journal. Whatever your practice, let it be a moment of connection with yourself. Embrace the quiet, the stillness, and the simplicity of the morning. Stretch your body gently, feeling each muscle awaken. This is your time, a sacred pause before the world demands your attention. Remember, these small acts of self-care can have a profound impact on your well-being. So take this moment for yourself and carry its peace with you throughout the day. 5 minutes might seem small in the grand scheme of a busy day, but within these minutes lies a powerful opportunity. An opportunity to shift from chaos to calm, to trade stress for serenity, to move from reactivity to intention. This isn't about adding another task to your to-do list. Consider it a loving act of self-care, a way to nourish your mind, body, and spirit before you share your gifts with the world. Imagine starting your day with a few moments of stillness, sipping a warm cup of tea, or simply watching the sunrise. Picture yourself meditating in a quiet room, allowing your thoughts to settle. Or perhaps journaling in a cozy nook, reflecting on your intentions for the day. These small acts can create a ripple effect, transforming not just your day, but your entire outlook on life. Embrace these 5 minutes as a sacred ritual, a daily practice of grounding and renewal. Let's begin. Take a moment to settle into this space, allowing yourself to be fully present. Find a comfortable seated position, either on the edge of your bed or on a cushion. Ensure that your spine is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest and belly expand. Notice the air filling your lungs, bringing in fresh energy. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension you might be holding. Let go of any stress or worries, allowing them to melt away with each breath out. Repeat this deep, conscious breath 3 more times. With each inhale, draw in calmness and peace. With each exhale, release any remaining tension. Now bring your attention to your body. Starting with your toes, notice any sensations. Warmth, coolness, tingling, pressure. Feel the connection of your body to the ground or the cushion. Slowly scan your body, moving upwards to your head. As you move, acknowledge each part of your body, appreciating the sensations and the life within. Finally, set an intention for the day. It can be as simple as I choose joy today, or I will approach challenges with grace. Let this intention guide your actions and thoughts throughout the day, bringing you back to this moment of calm whenever you need it. As you end this brief practice, take a moment to cultivate gratitude. What are you thankful for in this very moment? Perhaps it's the warmth of your bed, the sound of birds singing, or simply the gift of another day. Allow yourself to truly feel the gratitude in your heart. This simple act of appreciation sets a positive tone for the hours ahead. As you move into your day, carry this sense of peace within you. Remember the feeling of your breath, the awareness of your body, and the intention you set. Even amidst the busyness, you can always return to this calm center. Share this gift of mindfulness with others. Encourage your loved ones to join you in this practice. Together, let's create a world that starts each day with intention, presence, and gratitude. Thanks so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, click on the video on your screen for more quick and powerful science-based mindfulness practices. See you next time.